Hi learners, this is Ms. Farwa and welcome to my channel Learn to Teach. In this video, we will learn how we can create a bar chart in Microsoft Excel. You have a simple practical for this. First, you need to insert data into Excel sheet. There are two columns, name and number of books. Name of the students, we can insert any four names of the students. Here in the list I have Marcus, Zara, Arun, Sophia. So we will be inserting these four names in the first column, and in the second column let's suppose each of these student has different number of books. Marcus has 18, Zara has 6, Arun has 10, Sophia has 12. So we will be first inserting this data, and after that I will tell you how we can create a bar chart and represent this data in form of bars. So let's start. Open Microsoft Excel in your computer. After that, open a blank workbook. Okay, here you have first make the cells bigger by using the plus button at the bottom right side of your screen. You can see I am pressing the plus button continuously and the cells are getting bigger. Let's quickly insert the data. Name of a student, let's suppose, or simple names, or you can just write name. Then we have four different names. Marcus, we have, Zara. Then we have, you can enter any four names, Arun, and then Sophia. Let's suppose these are few names or few students. You can also write name of student. It's up to you that what is the heading that you want to give to your column. Okay, see here, when you write a bigger data, then it seems like it is going out of your cell. You can fix it by following the line of the column A and then dragging it to the right side. So this is how you can make it little organized. Go to column B and write down number of books. Number of books, it's again a little bigger. So what you have to do, follow this line of column B and drag it to the right side. Number of books, let's write 18 for Marcus. Zara has 6. Arun has 10 and 12 for Sophia. Now, once you insert your data, you just need to select the data. You have to click on number 12, the cell, it's B5, the last cell that I have inserted data in. Then you have to go to left side, go up, 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 up. If you see that I have selected only those cells where I have inserted my data, you can do it like this. Name of a student, go right, down, 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 down. There are two ways, or there are so many ways to select the particular data that you have inserted in the cells. Make sure you are not selecting any empty cell like this. That's wrong. For a bar chart, you need to specify the data and you need to select the right cells where you have inserted the data. Do like this. Now, remember to go to insert. In the insert, go forward, forward, forward and check. In the middle of it, you see here insert column or bar chart option. Go to the drop down and then select this one, 2D column. We click here. When we click it, then it seems like your bar chart is too bigger. So what we can do, we can fix it by going to the bottom right side of your screen and pressing the minus sign. Keep pressing the minus sign so your sheet will get smaller. And then we can just click on the chart and drag it to in the center of the screen. So this is how you can simple make a bar chart for your data. Here you can see the number of students are at the bottom. Marcus, Zara, Arun, Sophia. There is a number line that shows that how many books each of the student has. Marcus the bar is going till 18. Zara, the bar goes till 6. It means it has 6 books. Arun, the bar is going till 10. So it means it has 10 books. And Sophia's bar is going till 12. So she has 12 books. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that by doing this you can simply learn how we can create bar chart. Thank you. Stay tuned, stay connected. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye.